Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter for a 2021 Nissan Rogue. You'll see like a little lip here. I'm going to get my camera for a minute. Here's your console, and up here's where the air filter is. And this one doesn't have any screws. Now, we bought this car with like 5,000 miles, and we don't know if they had already taken the screws out and maybe changed it. There could be one here, and there's another little one up here. But this one doesn't have them in it, and if yours doesn't either, then pull it out with this little lip right here. Stick your finger in that, and it's like a little L-shaped. Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to get the filter out. Okay, pull down, and there's a lip up there. Just kind of push down till you feel the end of the filter, and pull out at the bottom, push down again, pull out the top, and you'll get the filter out. And then you make sure that this arrow is pointing towards the engine part. So here's how to get it back in. Okay, feel that top lip. Take the bottom up under that little ledge back there where the L bracket is. Start pushing it in. Push it in the top, push it in the bottom some more, push it down a little bit, get it up under that lip, keep going with it. Okay, on that, push it up under there, push it down a little, push it up in, and yeah, just feed it back in. Okay, mine's back in, and now put it back, put your little L bracket, the little L, and click it back on. Alright everybody, I hope you get your filters changed, and your air conditioner's just going to run a lot better, and your car will even run cooler, because your air conditioner will be off. Kicking off and on quite a bit instead of running constantly. Thanks for watching, everybody.